Thank you. Thank you guys for singing with us.